And how do we know that these marriages are not the result of women exercising their personal preferences or choices?
Well, it could be. In some cases, that is what they're doing, and it might be a way of them protecting themselves again from a bad family background and the potential of them themselves being detained. My sense, though, from my interviews is that's typically not the case, that Uyghur women are actually trying to find excuses not to interact with Han men because of their fear of being forced to marry them. So I can't say that in all cases it's fully coercive, but it appears to be coercive in many of them. And there's also from the Han male perspective, a kind of power that's being exercised, where they talk about, if you're interested in Uyghur girls, come to Xinjiang because you can marry them now. That's kind of an open discussion that's being had. There's also advertisements that speak to matching Han men with Uyghur women. So it seems as though there's a structure that's being built.